Hi, thanks for watching our video about cooking tahdig. This is a traditional Persian dish, served with Persian stew as the main course in Iran. You can support me by watching the entire video and hitting the like button. If you haven't already, click on the subscribe button to follow my channel. You can serve these delectable tadig with any type of Persian stew and enjoy the crispy rice as main dish in your meals. Make this tasty and traditional recipe once, and you will always want to make it again.